Here's bus, VWbus, and it's gonna be a planter. And I'm giving this to my friend and tomorrow. I'm gonna fill it up with succulents. It's gonna be so cute and so pretty. So I'm gonna go put rocks in first because this doesn't have a drainage hole, and so that it's going to keep the water away from the soil. And I'm just gonna fill it up with whatever I have in the garden right now. It's gonna have to be small, it's gonna have to be colorful, so I'll show you when I'm done. Well, I'll show you while I'm doing it, and you guys just hang tight.
This is not good. Something is definitely wrong. She did not.
Here we go. You think I got enough? I think I got too much. So let us do some composition. We're gonna have to pick out which is going to be the front and which is going to be the back. Or we can make it so that either side, no matter where you display it, it's going to have the same aesthetic pleasing effect visually. So to achieve that, okay, so if we're doing only one side, we're gonna have to put all the tall plants in the back, and then the middle, and then the front is going to be the focal point. So for this one, I think this is the biggest one, the biggest plant that I got, and I think that the focal point should be this because it looks really good with the pink and yellow go good together. And then we're gonna start building all around it. I don't know if there's another focal point I can use for the back in case she wants to use the back, but no, I think we're just gonna use one side. I got like these red ones. This is really pretty, and the yellow with the red edge right there. And I got the pale pink ones. It's really cute, so cute. Then I picked flowers. These are just flowers. These are gonna die eventually. This will just be the accent color because it's yellow. It's pretty. So she can just pull those out when they die. Then I got the blues. I mean, it's incredible that they're all green, but they have different shades of green that makes them all look like different colors. Then I have like the red orangey kind of thing. Okay, let us begin. And I'm gonna show you as I go. Here's my stabber. So I didn't fill it up all the way to the top because I'm gonna put rocks in there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put this in the middle. I'm gonna kind of wipe it. There's a lot of dust or something. So you wanna make it look clean. You know, sideways like this. Okay, I probably need some soil to backfill, but that's okay. Let's see. Then I have these tall ones that I'm gonna put, semi-tall ones, the blue ones. That's gonna go in the back, kind of. There. Where's the other one? I had two of those. There's the other one. And you want to make it so that you're putting them together so that they can complement, the colors can complement each other. Like blue and yellow go together. So as soon as I'm done here, I'll show you. See? Put the tall ones in the back. These are the tall ones. This one like bends right away as soon as you take it off of the branches or the plant. That's a green. That's like a really, really dark green. So, and also you have to pay attention to the texture. Like you want something soft against like a rough looking plant. Like this is really soft, and then this is like, you know, stick ups. And then I'm gonna put this one on the side there, or the front of the bus, because I want to, you know. There, and the other one on the other side. So you want to make it look as not aesthetic, but as balanced as you can. And then I'm going to put this white one kind of in the front on the two sides, because why not? Like right in the corner there. There. And this in the other corner. Oops. And then I'll just take it and kind of bang it so that it backfills. Then I'm going to take this red one and place it in between the pink and the focal point. Just because it's so cool. Oh shoot. Right. And it's gonna kind of wanna fall out on you. That's why you tap it down or stamp it down. And make sure you take out like the dead, where's my cutter? You'll take out like the dead branches and the dead leaves and stuff, so it doesn't look crappy in your presentation. I think I need to put some soil in there because it kind of settled a little bit. I have this little scooper. This little scooper comes in so handy. You can get this from Amazon, and I'll put the link so you don't have to like search for it. But it's just, it goes like right in the crevices, the nooks and cranny. Like really, really nicely. It just goes in there. So you're gonna have to like kind of manually move things around and wherever. And what I do is I take the whole thing, cup it in my hands right like this, and then, oh my goodness, that's what's going on here. I don't have enough soil in there to hold it. And plus all my dirt, all my soil got so wet because I put it outside, which I shouldn't have done that. And I just, there you go. Now you have all of these other extra ones. It's up to you. If you want to fill it up, fine, go for it. But again, you're going to have to maneuver everything in order to do that. So I'm going to put this one in here. I'll put some more dirt because for some reason it just settled in there. Be careful with this, the jelly beans, because they come off so easily. They come off the branches so easily. Turn this over like this. Fill it back up. As long as you have like maybe 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch that you leave for the rocks. So pretty already. Look how pretty it is. I'm watching this trial of Alec Murdaugh. Man, that guy is something else. Killed his wife and his son because I guess he was embezzling money out of the funds. He's a lawyer and he's embezzling money from the client's funds and putting it in an account that has kind of the same name as the payee, but it's going straight into his account. He like opened up an account under his name with the client's company name. It's kind of this sort of the same so that it's not noticeable. Look so far. Ooh, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm now in the back. But, I mean, if she wants to turn it around, that's fine. She can do that. She can do whichever side she wants to look at. She can turn it every other day if she wanted to. She's going to be happy. She loves succulents. Look, this one keeps coming out. Stop it. Holds it. All right, what do you think? I think I should put this in there. It's kind of chewed up. Chewed it up. But this plant right here is like, it'll grow, the stems will grow and then it'll dry up, but then the top part is like healthy and I just don't get it. This is called the pagoda. So I don't know, maybe we'll put it in the middle. Kind of chewed up. I don't know if this is nice. No. See, there are times when you just don't, you can't put something because it doesn't go well. So you're just gonna have to like suck it up. Like, it's not going in. It's not going in. It's not going in. So just let the chips fall where they may. What about this one? Kind of chewed up too. I don't want that. It's gonna make it look nice. Make it look nice. So I'm gonna put this one, the jelly bean, in the back too, to get some color there. Yeah, stay in there. Stay in there, stay in there. So there we have it. But then I have to put the small rocks in there. Let me see. Why is she canceling? Did she even say why? We had a fire. Thankfully, not our primary residence and no injuries. Lots of phone calls and paperwork right now. Prayers are so appreciated. OMG. Okay. So, she's not going to be here. I have those big rocks, the pebbles that I put underneath, but that's too big. This planter is way too small for that. So I have to find my smaller rocks. And I thought I had some already out somewhere, but a whole aquarium full of it. Because I'm reusing these rocks, recycling, because and then I push it down in there. And that, my friend, is like glue. And when I have to go in like this, I just like kind of push it up a little bit. That is so cute. Look at her. Maybe this one is too big. What do you guys think? I think this one is way too big for this planter. Like over here, perfect. But I think that this succulent right here, even though it's so pretty, maybe I can put the smaller one. But then this one is way too small. Then it wouldn't be a focal point anymore. Be too big though, because it's like covering the whole. I'm gonna have to change that. Oh my gosh, look at now. Look how that's way much better. Way better. Yeah, we need a better background. So cute. Way